Civil Service Exam, word problem number 116. The ratio of men to women in the national pool of athletes is 15:7. If there are 72 more men than women, how many athletes are there in the national pool? So ang mga choices, 1,920, 198, 1,080, 192, and 120. Okay, so i-post nyo po muna and try nyong sagutan bago panoodin ang aking solution. Okay, kung gusto niyo pong mapanood simula number 1, nasa description po ang link ng aking playlist. Medyo marami na to, 116 na ha. So simulan niyo po sa number 1. Okay, so sagutan na natin. Ratio and proportion lang itong problem na ito. Ang sabi, the ratio of men to women. So sulat na agad natin. Men to women, ang ratio daw nila ay 15:7. Lagay natin 15 ang men, ang women ay 7. So ang sabi, if there are 72 more men than women, so yung men daw ay 72. 72 more men than women. So ang tanong, how many athletes are there in the national pool? So itong ratio natin, 15:7, ibig sabihin yan, nakamultiply yan. Lagyan natin ng variable. Yun yung constant of variation. So nakamultiply yan sa parehas na number. So lagyan natin ng 15x tsaka 7x. X yung constant of variation. Okay? So ang sabi dito, yung men daw, if there are 72 more men than women. So alin yung men dito? 15x. So gawa natin ang equation. 15x. Ayan isa-isayin natin para malinaw. If there are 72 more men, 72 more men than women. Ibig sabihin, yung expression para sa men equal siya doon sa women, tapos dadagdagan natin ng 72. Kasi yung men daw ay 72 more than sa women. Okay? So the men is 72 more than the women. So M equals W plus 72. Tapos yung men natin ay 15x. Tapos yung women natin ay 7x. So therefore, ito na ang equation natin. 15x equals 7x plus 72. So ngayon, isolve muna natin yung x bago natin makukuha yung total. How many athletes are there in the national pool? Isolve muna natin ang x. So pagsamahin natin si 15x at si 7x, ilipat natin itong 7x sa kabilang side by subtracting 7x to both sides. So cancel na ito. So we have 15x minus 7x. So that is 8x equals 72. Okay? So divide both sides by 8. Ayan na. Makukuha na natin ang value ng x. The constant of variation x is 72 divided by 8. That is equal to 9. So para makuha natin yung total, isolve natin yung number ng men tsaka ng women. So ang men daw ay 15x. So we have 15, the value of x is 9. So 15 times 9, that is equal to 9 times 5, we have 45. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 4, so we have 13. So ang total ng men ay 135. Ang total naman ng women ay 7x. So we have 7 times the value of x is 9. So 7 times 9 equals 63. So ngayon yung total, i-add na lang natin ito. So therefore, 5 plus 3, we have 8. And then 3 plus 6, so we have 9, bring down 1. The total number of athletes is 198. The correct answer is letter B. Okay, so that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. Kung meron kayong math question, ay i-comment nyo lang po or i-PM nyo ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. So good luck po sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.